In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Windows Copilot in Windows 11. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a handy guide for those who prefer a more streamlined workspace without the additional features that Windows Copilot offers. So let's dive right in. First, let's understand what Windows Copilot is. Essentially, it's designed to be a digital assistant, integrating various functionalities to help you navigate through tasks on your Windows 11 system. While it can be helpful for some users, I understand that many of you might find it unnecessary or distracting. So if you're ready to disable it, keep watching. To start things off, you'll want to access the Settings menu on your computer. You can easily do this by clicking on the Start button, which is usually located at the bottom center of your screen. From there, just look for the gear icon, which represents Settings. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've opened the Settings menu, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Privacy and Security. This can be found on the left-hand side of the window. Click on that, and you'll see a variety of options pop up. Next, scroll down until you see Windows Permissions. Click on that, and you'll find an option that says Background Apps. Now, this is an important step. Windows Copilot often runs in the background, and we need to make sure it's disabled there to really stop it from appearing when you don't want it around. Click on Background Apps, and you will see a list of various apps that run background processes. Look through this list for Windows Copilot. If you find it, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click that switch to turn it off. This should put a stop to Copilot running in the background of your system. Now, even if you don't see it listed, don't worry. There's another method we can try to ensure that Windows Copilot is effectively disabled. Exit out of the current settings window and head back to the main settings menu. This time click on System and then select Notifications. You want to check here to see if there's a setting related to Windows Copilot. Sometimes, features of Copilot might still be enabled through the notifications. You'll want to turn off notifications specifically for Windows Copilot, if that option exists. After adjusting those settings, let's head over to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Right-click on an empty space there, and a menu will appear. From that menu, look for the option that says Taskbar Settings. Click on it. In the taskbar settings, check for an option related to System Tray Icons or Taskbar Corner Overflow. Toggle anything related to Windows Copilot to ensure it's also disabled there. This not only prevents it from appearing in your notifications, but also from taking up space on your taskbar. Once you have tidied up both the settings menu and the taskbar, it's a good idea to restart your computer. This will ensure that all changes take effect properly. So, save any open work and go ahead and restart your computer. After your computer boots back up, you should notice that Windows Copilot is no longer lurking around, giving you that nice clutter-free experience you were aiming for. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to easily disable Windows Copilot in Windows 11. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If it has, I'd love for you to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your smoother Windows experience.